Good morning, students. Today we will study black soils in India. First of all, we will study its origin or how the black soils are formed. Black soils are the product of basic lava. When this basic lava comes out on the surface of the earth via the volcanic activities, this lava solidifies and convert into basaltic rocks. When these basaltic rocks come under the action of physical weathering, chemical weathering, and biological weathering, get disintegrated or weathered and convert into black soils. So, the parent rocks or the parent material which is responsible for the formation of black soils are the basaltic rocks. I will also show you with the help of map. Million years ago, there was volcanic eruption in the southern part of the India. Presently, this part is known as Deccan Plateau or Deccan Trap. When the basic lava comes out on the surface of the earth, this basic lava travels up to thousands of kilometers and solidifies, convert into basaltic rocks or we can say that basaltic igneous rocks. When the topmost part of these basaltic igneous rocks come under the actions of physical weathering, biological weathering, and chemical weathering, means by the actions of the animals, plants, and chemical reactions, and even the physical actions like the insolation, means the sun rays, and moving glaciers, blowing winds, leads to disintegrate the topmost part of this plateau and convert into black soil. So Deccan Plateau in India mostly having black soil. Now come to its characteristics. Black soils are black in color because these soils having high concentration of iron and aluminium. These soils are clay in texture. Alluvial soils are loamy and sandy in texture, but black soils are clay in texture. That's why these soils having moisture retaining capacity. Black soils hold moisture from the atmosphere because these are clay in texture. Clay always hold moisture from the atmosphere. These soils are also known as self-plowing soils. Why these are self-plowing soils? Because when these soils are dry, it develops cracks. I will show you. When these soils are dry, these soils develop cracks and this makes plowing easy to the farmers, and also we can say that self-plowing nature. These soils are also very famous for its air circulation property. When this soil develops cracks, the atmospheric air circulates through these cracks and makes easy germination of the seeds. So this is also very famous for air circulation property. Now come to its texture. These soils are composed 60% of clay. That's why clay in nature. If we talk about its mineral composition, these soils are very rich in lime, potash, iron and aluminium. Due to the presence of high concentration of iron and aluminium in this soil, these soils appear black in color. But these soils are very deficient in nitrogen, phosphates and organic matter. But alluvial soils are very rich in organic matter. Black soils are deficient in organic matter. The most dominant crops which we can grow in black soil are cotton and sugarcane cultivation. Why these crops are dominant in black soils? Because both these crops need moisture in the soil. Black soil easily hold the atmospheric moisture. If we talk about its areas, mostly the black soil in India is found in Maharashtra, some parts of Gujarat and western parts of Madhya Pradesh. I will show you with the help of map. Some parts of Gujarat, western parts of MP and some parts of Maharashtra. So these areas having black soil in India. Thank you.